In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wispr Flow like a pro to speed up your daily tasks using only your voice. Let's get started. I'll begin by heading over to the Snippets tab on the left sidebar to create a time-saving shortcut. I click on Add New in the top right corner to open the snippet creator. For this example, I'll name the snippet Leave. Using my voice, I dictate a professional expansion text for a formal leave of absence request, ensuring it includes all the necessary details like the date and my responsibilities. Once I'm happy with the dictated text, I click Add Snippet, and you'll see a confirmation that it's been saved to my library. Now, let's put this into practice. I'll switch over to Gmail and open up a new message window. Instead of typing out that long email, I simply speak my trigger word, leave, and Wispr Flow instantly expands it into the full, formatted message right in the body of the email. If the draft needs a bit of a tweak, I can highlight the text and activate command mode. I'll tell the AI to make the tone more respectful and polite. It processes my voice command and automatically replaces the original text with a more refined version. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.